the hell? What the hell were you doing under the locomotive? Mama. What the frick?
Look at him. He's watching.
He's like wondering, this is my locomotive.
He's like, he's the guard cat.
Yeah, he like keeps the locomotive safe. Makes sure no one won't steal it, even though people can now steal it because it's a freaking fence. Are you the corner of the locomotive, buddy? Maybe. Bro, he's making a mad face at me. He's making a mad face. Well, this is not for you, buddy. I'm just taking a picture of the whole locomotive. He's just standing there. He's just standing there. Oh, now he's going back under the locomotive. What the freak? Does he live under there? Bro, he's right behind the wheel. I can see his tail.
Come here, baby. Come here.
Is that cat hungry, maybe? He might be hungry. Oh, back onto the locomotive. Oh my God. Here is the locomotive.